The Cine DMX Dimmer uses a V-mount connection for power. You can use this with the AC adapter or V-mount battery. If you're using a 26-volt V-mount battery or Westcott's DMX AC adapter, you're able to power any flex mat. If you're using a 14.4 or 14.8 volt V-mount battery, you'll be limited to powering just the 1x1 daylight and the 1x1 bicolor mats. When updating firmware, move the dimmer's power switch to the off position. Plug the flash drive into the USB port located on the side of the dimmer. Turn the power switch to the on position. After the Westcott logo and version information appear, the unit will display "Updating" and a status bar will appear. When the status bar completes, the new firmware version number will be displayed on the screen and the dimmer will return to the main menu. Plug the Cine mat's 9-pin connector to the 9-pin receiver located on top of the Cine dimmer. Once connected, rotate the coupling ring 3/4 clockwise on the cable connector to secure. Once your power supply is connected, locate the on-off power switch located on the top right of the dimmer. Turn the switch to the on position. Menu options may vary depending on the type of connected flex mat and firmware version. With MatSense technology, your dimmer will be able to detect which flex mat is connected. Holding down the OK button allows you to access the previous menu. The up and down arrows on the D-pad allow you to scroll through the menu. The mode menu screen allows for source matching, gel mode, RGBW, bicolor, and daylight options. Within any mode, using the left and right D-pad arrows allows you to control the intensity of the mat. Within a color mode, hold the up arrow to save a preset to your preset settings. To access your color presets on the dimmer, you will go to the Settings menu. To get there, hold down the OK button, which will take you to the Mode menu. Then hold it down again to open the Settings menu. Once in the Settings menu, scroll down to Stored Presets. Scrolling up and down allows you to view your different presets. Holding the down arrow allows you to rename your presets. Use the D-pad arrows to rename your presets. Within a gel or source matching mode, holding the down arrow allows for further customization of the full RGBW spectrum. To switch a dimmer to Wi-Fi mode, simply set the Wi-Fi mode switch to the desired mode and hold down the white Wi-Fi button for 2 seconds. Doing so will allow you to switch your dimmer from host, client, or Wi-Fi off. Make sure your phone or tablet is connected via Wi-Fi to your Westcott dimmer. To use your flex mat in LUMINAIR, you need to open an existing project or start a new one. Next, hit the Add button to add a control for your Wireless DMX Dimmer. Select DMX Fixture, then select Profile. Find Westcott and LUMINAIR's fixture library. Select Cine DMX Dimmer, then select the corresponding mode on your dimmer. For example, we're using the RGBW mode. Once you select the mode, you'll be asked for your DMX channel. Make sure your DMX channel on your dimmer and LUMINAIR match. If you need to change your DMX channel on your dimmer, you'll go to the Settings menu. To get there, hold down the OK button, which will take you to the Mode menu. Then hold it down again to open the Settings menu. Select the DMX setting and then simply choose your channel by using the arrows. Once your mat is networked with the LUMINAIR app, your fixture will give you options for intensity and color. Adding an additional light and dimmer is very simple. Make sure your next dimmer is in client mode and set to a different DMX channel. Then add your next lighting fixture.